Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove lipstick fast and easily. These will be simple steps in a beginner tutorial, so let's get right into this awesome video. So essentially, if you want to remove lipstick, this is the video for you. I'm going to tell you quickly and easily how to remove lipstick using a simple method that will work if your lipstick is not like a long-lasting durable lipstick. If you're just using regular lipstick, then the first method will work for you. And if not, I'm going to tell you about an additional method. So one that is will work for like a more stubborn type of lipstick or a long-lasting type of lipstick. Let's get into this. And yes, I am filming a lipstick removal video as I drive because I have somewhere to go and I want to get this video done. So first and foremost, what you will need, the easiest way, is just one of these right here, or multiple of these, which these are called cotton rounds, I believe. You don't want to use a cotton swab necessarily, or a cotton ball, or like a Q-tip, because those are looser cotton, so you're more likely to get like cotton, like fuzz on your lips. If you use something like this, it is a more like a tightly woven cotton, which will allow you to sort of keep the cotton on the cotton round. Okay, very simple. So what you're going to do is you're essentially going to get one of these, and you want to put some warm water on it. Not hot water, not cold water. Cold water won't do a great job at removing the lipstick. It'll still work, but it'll be a bit harder. And warm water, on the other hand, hot water on the other hand, will actually probably melt the lipstick. It will not melt it necessarily, but it just won't do as good of a job at removing it as warm water would. Okay, so you want to use warm water, very simply put, and you want to get warm water on the cotton round. You're going to put warm water on the cotton round, and you're going to wipe your lips. Now, you don't want to wipe your lips and just sort of smudge it everywhere. You don't want to do anything like that. You want to wipe your lips in a uniform fashion. So I would take this and I would wipe it across and across, across and across, okay? What's going to happen is the lipstick is going to start coming off on the cotton round, okay? What you're going to do as this starts getting filled up with lipstick removed from your lips, you're going to flip it to the other side and you're going to use the other side, okay? You're going to keep doing this, obviously, and when both sides of this are filled, you're going to get an additional one. So you would get another cotton round like this, and you would use the additional cotton round to continue removing the lipstick. Okay, eventually, your lipstick is going to be completely off your lips, and when that's the case, you want to get your final cotton round, you want to wet it with some warm water and just rub it on your lips, and it should be basically clean. Okay, it should not clean, but it shouldn't have any discoloration on it. That's when you know the lipstick is completely off of your lips. And obviously make sure you are going into the lips as well, okay, and out of the lips as well, okay, in addition to just on the lips themselves. Okay, so that's the first method for pretty much easy to remove lipstick. Regular lipstick, we'll call it. The next method involves this right here. This is petroleum jelly, otherwise known as Vaseline. Vaseline is just one brand of petroleum jelly. It's you can use whatever kind of petroleum jelly that you desire, but I had as a kid a massive chapped lips problem. I had chapped lips all over here. All of this was chapped every winter for like the first 15 years of like my childhood. Okay, so I, like now I have it under control, but because I talk a lot, so my lips are always super moist because I'm always licking them. But I was like literally best friends with Vaseline as a kid. Okay, I'm not exaggerating. I just used it on my lips galore. Now, Vaseline serves another great purpose. It loosens up things that are on your skin. So people will use Vaseline to remove a bandage adhesive that is stuck on their skin, but you can also use it to remove lipstick that is stuck on your skin as well. So if you have some long-lasting lipstick, some lipstick that is hard to remove, a lipstick that is stubborn, this guy's gonna smash. What are you doing, bro? This guy literally was an inch and a half away from driving into my car, and there's another foot and a half on the other side. He could have, and he was stopping because he was going to hit my car. You could have just driven closer to the other side of the road. Okay, anyways, we're fine. No one hit me, thankfully. Not this time, at least, although it's happened before, where people decide to just smash my car. Okay, anyways, if you have stubborn lipstick, get a little bit of Vaseline or petroleum jelly on your finger, rub it on your lips, and let it sit for like a minute to 2 minutes. When you let it sit on your lips for 1 to 2 minutes, what's going to happen is it's going to do a good job at loosening up that lipstick. Then you can take a cotton round and rub it off. And when you rub it off your lips, the Vaseline will come off along with the Vaseline will come off along with the lipstick itself. So that's essentially the easiest way to remove stubborn lipstick. You want to use either just a cotton round, like I said before, or you can use something like Vaseline or petroleum jelly to sort of loosen up the stubborn lipstick. And it's literally that simple. That is how to remove lipstick, okay? How to remove lipstick from your lips easily. And that's it. And obviously I said it about 6 times because I'm trying to focus on where I'm gonna park. I just drove to my parents' house, and my dad and my mom they got a decent sized driveway. It's a big driveway where you can, it's not wide, it's only 2 cars wide, but it's long. So you can park lots of cars, but my mom and my dad parked on either side at the base of the driveway, which means for whatever reason they're trying to block off the driveway for whatever, they got to do something, let's say. So no problem. So I'm just coming to visit my parents quickly, and yeah, so that's why I said the conclusion sort of title again about 10 times. But yeah, that's it. How to remove lipstick. It's easy to do. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.